Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Are you fine? Hope you are keeping in good health and studying your daily lessons. We are coming to the end of this lesson and we have a lot of problems to solve it. Okay, mathematics is not a big problem. If you love it, you will be able to understand and study well. Okay, before we start solving the problem, let us invoke the blessings of the Almighty God. Dear God, we thank you for this new day. Thank you for blessing us with good health. Lord, as we are going to study these new problems, how to solve it, give us the grace. Bless our parents, teachers and humans. Give us the grace to understand this lesson properly and we may study our daily lessons with a lot of love and dedication. Yes, dear students, today we are going to solve the next problem from the textbook. You can see the problem here. The fourth problem. Draw a circle of radius 2.25 centimeters. The question is, draw a circle. What is centimeter given? 2.25. That is the radius of the circle. Okay, that is the radius of the circle. Now you see, to get 2.25 in the scale is rather difficult. So, as we have learned before, we are going to draw a line. What is our, we have to draw a circle with 2.25 centimeter radius. Okay, so I am just taking double of that one. That is 4.5. That is easy to take from the scale. So I am drawing a line of 4.5. Okay. Now, as we said learned before, take more than half of it, maybe 2.5 or 3. Draw an arc, fixing the compass here. Draw the arc here, here. The same way from B, you draw the arc here. And you have drawn a bisector. So you will get exactly 2.25 here and here also 2.25 centimeter. Okay, centimeter. Now again, now you know that this one side is 2.25. Now from the compass you have to take exactly 2.25 and draw this as a radius. Draw a circle. Okay, this is circle it is. Though my drawing is very poor, you have to understand it is 2.25. You have drawn a circle here with the radius 2.25. You know that the radius to all the sides has to be the same. That is, we have drawn 2.25 keeping the radius. So, we are not able to draw a circle taking 2.25 in the scale. It is accurately to take it is difficult. So, we are taking just double of that one. We have taken 4.5 and we have drawn a line. From there, we have drawn a bisector. From the bisector, we have taken, using the compass and pencil, you have taken the measurement 2.25, fixing the compass and pencil, and we have drawn the circle, and we have completed the first problem. Okay, that is to draw the circle with the 2.25 radius. Now you can see a next problem in the textbook. See, the question is, draw triangle ABC with AB is equal to 6 centimeter, angle A is equal to 22.5 degree and angle B is equal to 67.5 degree. The question, at first when you see, you may feel that it is very difficult, but dear students, it is very easy to solve, but only you should know the techniques how to draw. Okay. So, this question is very important. Even last year and the previous year, one or the other exam, this question is being asked. Okay, first part of the question is draw triangle ABC. So, triangle ABC you have to draw. So, the figure has to be almost like this. Okay, A, B, C. You can draw a rough figure and see. This is a triangle ABC. You have to draw a triangle ABC. And what is the angle AB is equal to 6 centimeter. So once again I can draw in rough rough. Okay. Whenever you have a problem, you have to see a rough figure of the triangle. Okay. So you are drawing a triangle here, ABC, and what is AB? AB is equal to 6 centimeter, and angle A is equal to 22.5, and angle B is equal to 67. So 67 means it has to be a bigger triangle. So it has to be 67.5. Okay. A triangle of this sort you have to draw. Now what do you have to do? See, first it is rather difficult for you to get 22.5 and 67.5 in the protractor. So you are drawing a first line AB. Imagine that it is AB with 6 centimeter. That you can get from your scale. So you are drawing it. AB you have to draw. And next what is given? Angle A is given to us. That is 22.5. So you just take double of that one. What is that one? 40? 45 you will get. So from the protractor you have to use the protractor. Okay. So you are drawing an angle of 45 degree. What is angle A for us is 22.5. But we can't get it in the protractor. So we are taking just double of that one. That is 45. So you have drawn an angle here. Okay, now we have to get 22.5. So the same way what we have done, keeping this as a platform for the compass, keeping the compass here, draw an arc here. Okay, as we have done earlier. Now in that same measurement, keeping here as one point on the compass, draw another angle. And from here you have drawn another arc. So you have drawn two arcs from the both sides, and joining that one you will get a bisector here. That is angle A is equal to 22.5 or 22.1/2. Okay, so you can write 22.5 degree. So you have got the first one. Now what is B? B is 67.5. So what is double of that one? 135. Okay. So now again using the protractor, you are keep the points, midpoint here, and get a 135 degree angle. So it may be here. So the arc will be like this of 135 degree. So it will be 135 degree. Okay, is it clear to you? Now, in order to draw B, angle B, you have taken 135 because what is given to us is 67.5. So we can't get 67.5 in the protractor. So I am taking this double of that one and I have drawn. Now from here, as we have done earlier, take any measurement on the compass and draw another arc here. Okay, so you have drawn. From here, this may not be so big, but should not be very small also. So you have drawn an arc here. From here, you are drawing another arc here, and from here another arc. So you will get point here. Now I am showing that point. You will get a bisector here, and you will get here the angle is exactly, you will get 67.5. That is 67.5. Now these two points are coming together. You will see here is a point where both the bisectors meeting together. So here already that is a point C. So you can see the figure may be very complicated looking, but if this type of question is asked, now what is needed for us? Only this triangle A, B, C. You may think, oh, this line is not needed. This line also is not needed, will wipe away. No, you have to keep it for that one, for the proof, for the teacher who is checking your paper, that you have understood well and you have drawn all these things. Such a way you have found out the triangle. The question was to find out the triangle ABC. So AB was given to us first, AB we have drawn, and next was angle A. Angle A was 22.5. Okay, so in order to draw 22.5, as we have done earlier, we have drawn an arc here. From there another arc joining that we got a bisector. Okay, so we have got angle A is equal to 22.5. Now another one was B was 67.5. For that one we took this double of that one and we drew an arc here. From there another arc we have drawn, joined together the midpoint of B and here this point arc. Then we got a bisector for angle B. Okay, so joining together we got C. So the question what is asked of us, only we have this much portion. Okay, so we have drawn triangle ABC with all the measurement values asked of us. Here it is 22.5 and here is 67.5 and AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Dear students, is it clear to you? I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, you may ask. Till then we have already done 5 problems and similar problems are coming ahead. Try to solve by yourself. Till then, we see in the next class. Study well, keep well.